America with the control and confidence of Subaru engineering. The Subaru XD Crosstrek Hybrid blends the right amount of energy, style, and performance, making it one of the most unique crossovers available today and versatile enough for everything you like to do. The Subaru XD Crosstrek Hybrid offers capability with confidence. Buy a brand new Subaru XD Crosstrek Hybrid low credit for only $25,995. For complete details and a list of Subaru dealers, go to SubaruofNewEngland.com. Go green, love green. It's what makes a Subaru Subaru. Hi, I'm Susan Warren. A great way to start your retirement planning today. Visit JustDon'tLoseTheMoney.com. Click the Are You Ready sign and receive your free retirement readiness kit. Richard Rubino and Sam Lang have spent a lifetime researching the safest retirement plans so you can spend your retirement comfortably, completely protected, and worry-free. Go to JustDon'tLoseTheMoney.com or let me personally introduce you to Richard and Sam at a free retirement planning seminar. I promise it'll be a lot of fun. Tuesday, June 23rd at Cafe Estabile in Burlington at 4 o'clock, or Thursday, June 25th at Lombardo's in Randolph at 4 o'clock. Call 877-630-8787, 877-630-8787, or visit JustDon'tLoseTheMoney.com.
You know that sound. If you or a loved one is losing sleep because of that noise, are exhausted all the time, or never seem to get a good night's rest, you may suffer from sleep apnea, a potentially life-threatening condition. Sleep apnea is dangerous and has serious health consequences, such as stroke, high blood pressure, heart disease, even anxiety, depression, and other complications. Using a breakthrough oral device, Dr. Daniela Sever and her experienced team have helped hundreds of patients regain their lives. If your CPAP is intolerable, there is an alternative that's comfortable, silent, and custom fit for you. Dr. Sever is a fully certified provider of this